Okay, took your guys' advice and I've gone rubber bushings all round. So everyone pretty much said that was a far better option for my car, not a race car. Not trying to take it around, you know, push it hard into the corners. So the next bit of advice I'm after is just then pushing out the old bushings without damaging these control arms, and then putting the new bushes in without damaging them. Somebody had commented about making up a C-shape piece of pipe or something. I don't quite understand what you mean. I did look it up, so a little more detail on that would be good, because I'm sure it's maybe not that hard, but a lot of you guys have done this and I haven't, so I'll learn how to do it and then I'll know. Okay, the subframe. So it's got quite a lot of rust around where these things go. What we did was have these little squares here laser cut with the holes in them, and then I took the subframe over to Body Mods the other week, and what we did was just cut out little squares in the frame and then just basically weld these in, give them a little grind, and she's back to looking like new again. So that's a pretty simple way that we fixed that. Obviously by we, I mean that's how Paul did it. I went and got us coffees. On that coffee note, I took Paul's car to go get the coffees. I get halfway down to Trade Depot and I look at the gas gauge, the light's on, and the gauge is as fucking as low as gas gauges can get. And I'm not even going to get back with these coffees. And I'm thinking to myself, how is this the same guy that built my roof with such precision, this guy running his gas so low? I got back there by some miracle and I questioned him on it. And he's like, yeah, that's just how I operate. I like to get a full use out of a tank of gas. There was enough gas for you to get down there, and I should just make it to the gas station as it's conking out. I'm thinking, this is like when I get into my wife's car. She seems to want to live like Mad Max as well, running it down to as empty as she can possibly get it. He's basically using that same level of precision he did on the roof on his tank of gas, and he reckons that's a good system, and he's only run out of gas about 7 times, so it's pretty effective. Alright, so on that precision note, here's some more hand fabrication by Paul. It's the rear valance this time. Check it out. Okay, so there's some more progress for you. As I said, we're progressing and progressing well. Some of you guys are watching the videos and you're not hitting the like button and you're not subscribing, so sort that out, will you? All right, cheers for watching as always. Maybe catch you at Beat Chop next week. My mission right now is I'm trying to get this motorcycle over here ready in time and take that over to Beat Chop 25. So maybe see a few of you guys there, and catch you in the next video.